Now that you're signed up, let me give you a quick tour of the Retell AI dashboard, just so you know where everything is before we start building your voice agent. So if you can see here, as soon as you log in, this will be your dashboard. And here, this will be blank for you if it's the first time you've signed in. First thing that we get pointed to is the agents tab. Now, this is where all of your voice agents live, and this is where you'll see their name, their types, their voices that we've assigned to them, and the phone numbers that we've also assigned to them, and the last time we've edited them. The next thing to note here is the create an agent button, but we will look at that in the next lesson in more detail. And then we have our left-hand menu on the side here. We can look at the knowledge base a little later. The phone numbers, if we click on that, this is where you can either purchase your phone number or you can manage the phone numbers that you've imported. We'll be importing our phone number from Twilio, and these are the numbers that we use to make and receive calls. And then we've got the call history. So this is the call history for every single agent, unless you decide to filter them. But it also has some key information like your call duration, the type of call, because it could be a web call, also the cost and the call ID. Okay, then we have the analytics. And if we go into the analytics here, so this is where you can track each agent's performance, like the call volume, the duration, and the usage trends. And then if we go into billing, now this will give you the eye on your usage and upcoming charges. Remember, it's pay as you go, so it's not a monthly static one-time fee. And then we can go to knowledge base. This is something that I don't think we're going to cover in this build of Retell, but it's something that is definitely useful where you can just upload your knowledge. I use a Google Doc, so it's dynamic. So as soon as I upload or change something in the Google Doc, it will then automatically update in my knowledge base. And we just need to make sure that we resync it every now and then. Your knowledge base is where you put all of your FAQs or a long form of knowledge that isn't actually put in the prompt. And that is it for this one. It's short and sweet. If you want to have a play around with it, make sure you do. It's fairly straightforward to get to know. But once you're ready, we can go on to the next session where we'll be creating our voice agent.